What up, YouTube? Today's Friday. We're going to be hitting back and triceps, but also abs and calves. Should be a good one. Earlier this week, I hit 10 reps on this 75. So we're going to try to beat 10. And I remember, depending on where the seat was, it was either easier or harder. So here we go. Four, five, six, eight, Next exercise is going to be a cable variation of a pullover instead of dumbbell. And then I'm going to do a palms up pull down. And that's going to be the 2 for back. But on this, you don't want to really bend the elbows and get the triceps involved. You kind of want to have your elbows locked and literally just imagine the lats, your back right here, pulling down the weight. So I don't know if you can tell if I got a good enough angle, but basically it's squeezing that way. If you have to, you can go down so you can get a little bit better stretch. So that's what we're going to do on this. See how 100 feels? Feels pretty good. Yeah, so let that stretch and then About 14. They're burning, so I'm gonna do this and then superset. The rep range on the pull downs is going to be a lot lower because I've fatigued them. Totally fine so long as we hit failure. So last week I did something very interesting. I did a static hold on this for 240. We're going to go back down to 200 and see if the static hold of last week helped us progress, because I did kind of hit a plateau. Some of that is due to me weighing in the 170s, doing over 200 pounds. It's pretty heavy compared to how much I weigh. All right, 200 pounds. Let's see how we do. All right. Maybe one more. So I think on these, they really have to just be at the very beginning of the workout. Because if I do several exercises before this, I'm too fatigued to go balls to the wall with it. With that said, though, my back is on fire. So far, so good. Next exercise is going to be a calf raise. We're going to keep it super simple and do static hold to failure and then a couple reps. And that'll be it. I moved up on the weight as well. I was doing 205. Today we're going to try 220. Whew. Now, if you're new to the channel, that doesn't look like much, but it has been working pretty well for me. I've been hitting calves just Monday and Friday. Final exercise for today is going to be a push down V-bar. So we're going to get at least one more exercise out of the triceps. I like these. These feel really good. Let's get it. And we're going pretty heavy. I mean, I know I could go light and just squeeze, but today was just mostly heavy to failure. Whew. All right. I'm looking good. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. For me, I'm going to be traveling. I might do a little vlog of this weekend, post something different on the channel. Either way, though, hope y'all have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you in the next one.